Chebukati declined sweetened overtures, intimidations and blackmail from powerful individuals to protect the will of the people. DP-elect Rigathi Gachagua on his part called on the Interior CS to stop planning to scuttle the Bungoma Senator Moses Wetangula's bid to become Speaker of the National Assembly.
Sway the voters. Bribery, intimidation, blackmail did not sway IEBC. We are confident that blackmail, bribery, intimidation will not sway our courts. Our courts have demonstrated their independence in the past. We have confidence. And I want to give assurance that we will continue to build the independence of all our institutions.
If there is one man who has stood firmly, committed himself to the truth, walked the path of righteousness to make sure that this country does not go to the dogs, is one Chebukati